your beauty, it's your girl Euniycemari here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload, as well as if you like what I do here on my channel, give me a big thumbs up and share your girl with the world, okay? So today's video it's gonna be a freestyle video. This video is not gonna be edited or any of the fanciness. I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about my hair growth journey and why some things kind of fell off, like as far as like me doing updates on like the curls, the last hair growth vitamin that I tried, which was the curls hair growth vitamin, and how I kind of fell off on that, or doing length checks or any of that. So, and I'm going to currently kind of share with you guys what I'm using at the time being. Also, if you guys hear anything, my window is open because as soon as I turned on the camera, it got super hot in here. Like my temperature just went all the way up. Okay. So, let's talk. All right. So, as you guys know, I was like, okay, my hair is healthy. Everything is good. I like the fact that I was zoning in more so on the health of my hair, and I thought my hair was being so healthy and it was doing so good. And I was like, okay, now we can start to focus in on me paying more attention to length. I was like, we can do that, take some hair growth vitamins and all that fun stuff, right? You guys know that I've done Hair Affinity, I've done Mielle Organics hair growth vitamin, and I've done the curls hair growth vitamin. I will leave all those links down below for you guys to go and watch and try and kind of see what my experience was with those vitamins. So the reason why I stopped is because I just got tired. I'm gonna just be really honest. I got tired of becoming obsessed with length of hair. I got tired of taking vitamins. I got tired of spending the money on vitamins and not too sure if they're really giving me what I'm looking for. I just really got tired of focusing on length. I was just like, I want to enjoy my hair at any length that it is. It doesn't matter what it is. As long as my hair is healthy, I'm fine. Number two, you guys know I have blonde hair, and no matter what I did with my blonde hair, no matter how much I deep conditioned, all that crap broke off. Like literally, if you guys see my hair now, there's probably a little bit of blonde on the ends. Majority of it I snipped off just for the hell of it. I'm not gonna let it break off. I'm just not gonna watch it break off. Let me just cut it off, get rid of it, throw it in the trash. Someone did comment like, oh, your hair is short, why is it not growing? Like, do you prefer to wear your hair short? And no, I had blonde hair that was breaking off. Of course my hair is growing. As you guys can see, from when I had blonde hair to now, my hair is back to my normal color. It's grown out. All of the hair has grown out. It's pretty much the same length as what all that blonde was, if not a little bit longer, okay? So I'm just kind of in this process of letting the blonde go and kind of letting my hair get back to what it was. I was so tempted to go blonde again, but I just think my hair can't handle it. It looks really nice and I like the way that it looks, but personally, I don't think my hair can handle going blonde. I have fine hair. My hair is already a sandy brown color. It's very light in color, but I just think the fineness of my hair, I just don't think it can handle being blonde. I just don't. I just don't think it can handle it. And so I decided to just say, you know what? I'm not going to focus in on taking a vitamin. I'm not going to focus in on doing, length checks. I don't want to obsess over length. I don't want that to be the center focus of my hair journey. I don't want it to turn into that. It never was about that. If you guys know anything about the beginning of my journey, I did my natural hair care journey to number one, to love to learn my hair as the texture that it was, and to learn how to do my own hair and to become educated with my hair and the texture and what my hair likes, what my hair doesn't like. Like, that's the whole point of my natural hair care journey. It wasn't any way or form about length, okay? So I'm now at this point where I'm like, I don't want to have to obsess over length. It will come. If my hair is meant to grow down to my ankles, it's going to grow down to my ankles. But my hair so far is healthy. It's full. My curls are defined. They're moisturized. They're beautiful. And that is all that I'm concerned about right now. And I just want to be happy with what I have and not become sad or upset because it's not growing. Because let me tell y'all, when you focus in on growth and you don't see your hair growing, that can like really make you feel like shit. And I don't want to be like, oh my god, my hair is not growing at the rate of You Love Meg's hair and I've been natural longer than her. No, I stay in my own lane. I just go, as long as my twist outs look bomb, as long as my wash and goes are good, I am happy with what my hair has. So I decided to just kind of give it all a break and just really just zone in on keeping my hair healthy, keeping it full. You guys know I have very full, thick hair. It's in braids right now because your girl didn't feel like doing her hair anymore. And before I pick up the clippers and become, you know, Sanaya off of Nappily Ever After, I was like, let me throw them in some braids, okay? So that's the deal with my natural hair care, my growth journey, okay? I just decided to throw it in the air, let it go, and just really just decide to zone in on the health of my hair, okay? Shampooing it, deep conditioning it, and just making sure that it stays thick, whole. I keep all my edges, you know, girl, edges be full, you know, so that's where I'm standing right now with my journey. And maybe later on down the road, maybe I'll come back into length, or it may just be one of those things where you notice over time, like, damn, her hair grew. You know what I mean? Maybe it'll just be something like that. But so far, I'm going to give all those hair growth pills and all that crap a break. Currently, I'm going to share with you guys what I am using. And these are just some things that are more natural to me that encourage hair growth. It's nothing where it's like, oh my gosh, let me take this pill because if I don't take this pill, my hair is not going to grow. This is just natural in the movement, okay? And the first thing I'm going to talk about is Jamaican black castor oil. A lot of you guys know Jamaican black castor oil is all about promoting hair growth. I use it in my scalp. I use it throughout my hair. It just is an amazing overall oil and it promotes hair growth. So it's easy for me to use and I don't really think of it like, oh, let me put it into my scalp so that my hair grows. It's more so as in a whole, this does so much more for my hair. You know, like it locks in moisture and makes sure that my edges and everything are nice and thick and nice and, you know, moisturized. So this is one thing that I do throw into my regimen on a every other day basis. I'll rub it into my scalp and then also to saturate the length of my hair with it. Another thing is simple old multivitamins. You can't go wrong with multivitamins. These are the Ollie the Perfect Women's Multivitamins. It has biotin in it. It has about 375 mcgs of biotin. It's a little bit of a low dosage, but you are getting your biotin. You know what I mean? So it's already into the vitamin. It's already into what I need to be taking daily anyway to make sure that I get my everyday vitamin. You guys know, or if you don't know, I do eat pretty healthy. I do have my days where I don't. But I try to get in my fruits and veggies and things like that throughout the week. And not on a daily basis, but I do try to eat my veggies and everything throughout the week. Okay? I'm human. And then I do have these Simply Balanced Biotin Fruit plus fruit and vegetable infused blend. These are from Target. And these are 500 mcgs of biotin. And I just take this along with that when I'm eating. And that's pretty much it. And if you also know, biotin also helps out with metabolism. So it's not just for hair, nails, and skin. It also helps out with metabolism. But those are just some key things that I'm using currently that still do something for the hair. But it's not just for the hair. It's like overall care. So it doesn't, when I pick it up, it's not like, oh, let me just take this because if I don't, my hair is not going to grow. Not at all. I just try to still infuse things into my hair care journey or my hair care routine. Not only shampooing, deep conditioning, and just making sure that my hair is moisturized, but also internally getting what I need so that my hair is not starving. You know what I mean? So you guys, that is pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and leave my whole playlist down below as well as above for you guys to go and check out. And you guys can see from hair affinity to meal to curls, my whole hair care journey. Even using like a lot of the main choice growth oil, I'm still using that. Yes. But just little different things that I have tried out, or vitamins that I have tried out, and in this whole hair growth journey. And so yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. I just wanted to come on and kind of just put that out there and let you guys know what's going on. If you guys are on a hair growth journey, what are you using? Is it working for you? Did you give up as well and go, hey, we're not going to focus in on that? What is your experiences? What vitamins have you taken? What has worked for you? What hasn't worked for you? I'm always curious about you guys' experience. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. This is not edited. Thank you guys so much. Oh, you gotta love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl, Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video. Bye.